welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here today. To all new members, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are a family here and we love you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, share with your friends and family. Let them learn English with us. Okay? Yes, we love you and we want you here. To all my existing members, welcome once more. We love you. You know I love you. Okay, let's get into today's activity or today's lesson. Today's lesson, I'll be teaching you guys how to use the words used to, get used to, be used to. Okay? So our first lesson today is the word used to. Used to is considered a mobile verb because it is only found in the past tense, which means this verb is not used in the present tense, only things that already happened. We choose used to describe something existed or happened repeatedly in the past, but does not happen or exist now in the present. So if you used to do something in the past, I used to ride bicycle, but now I stop. So you would used to is something that you do in the past, never in the present. So you use it when you're talking about the past. An example for used to: Robin used to live on Blue Ridge Avenue near Red Ground Street. So Robin used to live on Blue Ridge Avenue near Red Ground Street. That means Robin no longer live on Blue Ridge Avenue. She moved. She moved somewhere else, right? Another example would be, I used to drink soda, but now I enjoy drinking fruit juice. It is healthier. So if you used to drink soda in the past, but you're trying to live a healthy diet, you would say that you used to drink soda, but now you enjoy drinking fruit juice. Okay, so it's in the past. The other word I'll be teaching you today is be used to. Be used to say you are accustomed to something and so it seems normal or usual. If you are used to something, it is not new or strange. So be used to is when you're accustomed to something, you're used to it. It is not strange to you. You always do it. So be used to is doing something that you always do. It's something you enjoy doing. It's not strange to you at all. So an example for be used to, but before I give you the example, note that the negative for be used to is be not used to. I know that is kind of confusing, but let me repeat. The negative for be used to is be not used to. So an example, Bill does not think John is strange. He is used to him. So when you're used to somebody, you don't think they're strange. You're accustomed to them. The next example would be, look, the bird is frightened. It is not used to large crowd. Remember above when I say if the negative for be used to is be not used to, that is what I'm talking about. So if you're not talking about something positive, you would say not used to. But if you're talking about something positive, you would say used to. Okay? That's what I was talking about when I said it. So in the negative form, you would say, look, the bird is frightened. It is not used to large crowd. Okay, that's how you use be used to. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the next one is get used to. But if you haven't subscribed before, take a minute. I'll give you a minute. Go subscribe and let's make this channel work. Okay, let's get into it. Get used to. Get used to means someone is, was, or will become accustomed to something. So when you are used to something, you get accustomed to it, right? The verb get can take the present, past, or future tense. The word get used to are an adjective. An example for get used to, After a month of our new routine, Mary is getting used to the early hours. So Mary used to wake up late, but after a month of practicing and getting used to the early morning routine, Mary is getting used to the early hours. Another one, the baby will not get used to her new juice. I think she misses her mother breast milk, right? I think she misses her mother's breast milk. So, you know, baby love breast milk. So she's not used to the new juice. She wants the breast milk. Okay, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. And this is the end of our video today. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. I love you. I love you. Until next time, bye.